So this is the shop I encountered here. Very nice stuff they have. One more thing I wanted to tell you, you know, if you all want to have a plan to go by this tempo travel. So the main market starts from here. So this is the main street of our Ladakh. So with soup na, this is chicken momos. Why we came here, just look at this place, so nice. So we are the first ones here. Good morning buggers. ऐसे morning तो नहीं है. What's the time? It's 2 o'clock. So anyways, this is a good day from Leh, and this is going to be our first day proper, where we are going to explore the market area, the food area, the places to visit here. Let's see wherever we go. And yeah, yesterday I couldn't end the vlog was because there was some chaos behind the hotel booking. That I'll tell you a little later. Anyway, so we came to this beautiful property here in the night. These people saved us. We checked in at around, see the rows and all. We checked in around 11:30, 12, and I'll show you from out. It's got a small gate here, and they have a premium property also out on the outer area, I guess. I'll try and see where it is, because yesterday I was so tired I didn't want to listen to anything. So getting food also at around 12 o'clock was a big hassle. So anyways, we managed everything by 11:30, 11:45. Yeah, we were all settled in. So by the time we started eating our dinner, our plan was to have a few drinks and all, and then go to sleep, but nobody had the willpower to have it, because everybody was super exhausted. And we enjoyed our first night. It was very comfortable, this place. And here's the bugger.
Hi guys. How guys can? How are you guys?
So I was just telling them that just now we are just going for a little exploring here and there.
Yeah, market will go. We have to make permit also.
The permit also, we have to get it done.
Permit.
And what was that coupon I'm saying, that the slip they gave us for $100 for Leh?
That is for like Manali enter, no?
Oh, like green tax. Acha.
One time.
Acha.
For 7 days.
Oh yeah, they said for 1 week. Anyways, so the night was very comfortable, very nice rooms. I'll show you to you when it's done up, because I'll just show you the entrance from here. वो इधर राइट पे वो है, टंगी हुई है राइट कबर्ड में. So this is the entrance. I'm just showing the entrance just now. We had breakfast at around 11 o'clock, bread omelette and aloo parathas with awesome ginger lemon tea. This time I got it right. So that and yeah, that was it for breakfast. So now we are heading out. It's about we'll be head out by 2:15, 2:20. Wind off everything, and the plan is changed a bit. We had to leave today, but not. We were so exhausted, so we changed it a bit. Today we are relaxing one more day, because yesterday was really a long. Because vlogging and all, you will see in the previous how much I've done. So a lot of time went in that, energy went in that, and yeah, and EMS is not kicked in with me yet. I'm not having a problem, but yeah, there is a little problem of breathing. Like you have to adapt to it slowly, the breathing part. So anyways, I'll get you in a while, and see you there then. Boom. Oh, see, that is the entrance of our hotel. That's it. This is the entrance to it. Very nice shops here, yaar. Very nice stuff for boys and girls both. Anyways, it's about 4:30. What's the time? Oh, it's 3 o'clock. It's now, I thought 4. And that's Gabby. This is the market. in a hurry I'm showing you because actually we have to hurry to go and get the car permit for going to all these other passes for a future. Huh?
I guess.
So we are anyway here. So the parking of that hotel, they send you to this hotel to park the car. So we'll get the car out and then I'll tell you all. So this is the shop I encountered here. Very nice stuff they have. I purchased also 2 things here. They have nice stuff here, so you can have a look. So this is in the main market. See. See all this is it. Chalo. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
So I purchased 2 of these things here. Like, got to tell you all what I purchased. But 2 things I purchased, and now we found one guy who's selling guy who's making the permit. So I'm just going back to him. Gabby, I made Gabby stand there. So, chalo, we just get that wrapped up and get back to you. Woo. So this is the place from where we are getting our permit. So this is the main market, and here only in the corner is this. Gabriel got it made last time also from him. So yeah, what I wanted to tell you was the permit is for 420 on the site, and that's the complete one. So from a travel agency they'll charge you $100 over it. So we said 4 days, so he said 580. So per day 20 rupees increases. So 420 per day, and it goes to 480 by the government, and they take $100 over it. So it's 580 per person. And one more thing I wanted to tell you, if you all want to have a plan to go by this tempo travel, so 12 people are maximum, and from here to Pangong and back by evening. In the morning they'll take you early morning and bring you back by evening. They charge 13,500. That's the charge. So anyone who's interested not to take the cars, and if they're in a big group, they can always split it. It doesn't cost much, and it's quite far, Pangong, so it's worth going. We are also going by our own cars, so we love to drive, so we'll go ourselves. So anyways, I just wanted to update you that this is the price for the people who are going. I don't know where all the permit will be for. That I'll update you. Okay. Chalo, see you now in a while. So the main market starts from here. All these small things, bitter things you get here. Actually I have to take a what do you call it, magnet. I'll just have a look here. So this is the main street of our Ladakh. See, from here we came, and this is the main market. We're going to look for where will we eat food here, and accordingly we will one is the kebab we are seeing. One is kebab and one maybe momos and all. So let's see which is the best. I'll bake. See, these are the vegetables they are selling. Yeah, very nice. fresh vegetables. This is the market. See all different things they're selling. Oh, in a line there. All in a line. So with soup na, this is chicken momos with this soup, mutton soup. 250 rupees a plate. Very nice. 250 only. Very nice it is. And the soup is damn tasty. I enjoyed it. So let me finish it in 3, 2, 1. After a hot session of momos, now a cool session of this strawberry shake. We both took strawberry shake. He's taking Oreo, and this burger's having a chocolate and vanilla ice cream. Very nice it is. This is quite famous. So this was for 100 bucks. Conrad's ice cream was 50 bucks. Good pricing. Very nice place here. Chalo.
One eternity later.
Why we came here? Just look at this place. So nice. Damn nice here. And we came so late that everything is shut here. I mean everything is shut here. They had live music here also. All is closed. Even the food you're not getting here. There's place to sit here. Drinking is going on here. Everybody's enjoying themselves here. And I'll show you the place. It's very nice. We missed this. We came here, but we came late. Yesterday also we came. That time also we came late. So this is a damn nice place to come and visit here. Yaar. See the amount of people sitting here. Very nice. And every kids and all, everything is allowed. See? Everything. They have the cabins. Here's the food. This is the food area. And this is a nice place to sit here. I'm so sad that we came here very late. Just look at this place here. And the time is 10:30 they close. Oh यार इसका वो लग जाएगा copyright. But this is the last that I can show you here. This is the place where this is the point. You all can see. Just put this on Google Maps and you all will reach here. Very nice place here. So we have finally finished with ordering our dinner. We have ordered tandoori chicken and we have ordered tandoori chicken and 4 naans and dal makhani and there was one more chicken I can't recall. So this is our order and it is 2310 our total bill. And this is from where we are getting our food. We got it even yesterday. Yesterday whole Leh was shut for non-veg, but they quietly gave us or slyly gave us non-veg. So yesterday also we ate from here. So this is a very nice place to come and eat. And this is another place, you come and enjoy a night, late night. Like you have to come a little early, but you're getting everything here. The amount of people standing here, all on the bikes and all. This is the place. So this is finishing of the night. We went. I showed you another place where we had to go and eat. We didn't get food there, so we got food here. And our hotel is just 10 steps away. We are going to eat our food in some time and enjoy whatever we have. So good night. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog, and if it's short, it's well and good. If it is long, oh, can't do anything about it. Whatever I can show, I can show. And Leh I showed less because we were only doing most of it was shopping for family and all, and whatever you can say, like a little bit bits and bits for everybody in the family, I tried to get. So anyways, today is
अरे बेटे तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
what's the time now? It's 11:27. We're going to have dinner now at around 12 o'clock, and then we'll move tomorrow early morning. So I hope you like it. Enjoy it. Cheers. And do subscribe whatever you can, and share it along. So see you tomorrow. Okay, bye bye, good night. Woo!
The next day.
Good morning buggers, welcome back to an
तो रुको जरा सबर करो.
good morning buggers, welcome back to another beautiful day in Leh. So today we have checked out from this beautiful place, and so as I was saying, to this beautiful place, yeah, these calls come in between and it spoils the video. So anyways, it was a very nice day here, stay here, and the total bill came to 8540. So that is like 4,000 rupees for the rooms, 2 nights, and 540 for the breakfast we ate here. So they didn't have a chef here because they said the chef has left. So they're looking out for a chef here, so they could only manage breakfast, not lunch, not dinner. For now, they will in future. They'll have a chef. They'll provide everything. So anyways, we are checked out, done the payment, packing, loading, everything done, all set. Connie is there in there. That's Saka we are going, and here's Gabby. So क्या सीन है, कहाँ निकल रहे हैं सीधे अभी?
अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करने चल
ब्रेकफास्ट वही वाली जगह
और एटीएम तो बहुत जगह मिलेगा.
हाँ चलो फिर उधर ही
वहीं चलते हैं.
हाँ.
किधर है?
हाँ
चलो रास्ता मालूम है, यहाँ से लेफ्ट है.
वही है जो कल रात एग्जिट के लिए लिया था.
चलो फिर चलो.
हाँ चलो I'll see you there at breakfast. Let's see what all we are going to eat. The same place last night we went, we could manage to sit there. So today we are going for breakfast there. So I'll see you there. Okay, so I forgot to tell you the time only. We left from that 10:50 or something, and we just came to this church here. It's next to the market only. You can put this on Google and you can come here. So we just went for a small like 1 minute prayer, and we are heading back now. Back for breakfast. We had to take out some cash. That's done. So now we'll meet you at the cafe. See you.
A few moments later.
So we are the first ones here to start this place. So see, this is the seating area. Yesterday it was all jam-packed, so couldn't show much. Very nice place, you know, and all local people were here. No foreigners, no other people. See, and all were reserved. All were reserved here. So let's see the menu just now, what we're going to eat, and then I'll update you from there. See the amount of fries they've given. You can count them.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
भाई केचप दे देना, केचप, और अगर मस्टर्ड है मस्टर्ड भी दे देना. मस्टर्ड है? हाँ. पीला वाला सॉस, पीला वाला
होगा पीला वाला
नहीं है?
अरे होगा,
पूछो यार, होता है. So this is a cheese, chicken cheese burger. This is also chicken cheese burger, and that's his chicken cheese sandwich.
Very nice.
It's like a coleslaw only, man. है ना?
You know what they've done? They've given.
That's nice. Chalo, let's have it. and tell you how the taste is. Let me just settle up. Here we go, the first bite.
खा के तो देख.
Honey saying it's like a coleslaw burger.
ऐसी है, ज़्यादा खास नहीं. You can't
ठीक
feel.
है इतने पैसों के लिए,
But you
कितना
can't. You
180 का तो है.
can't. You can't. 200 रुपए.
हाँ 200.
You can't feel the chicken inside.
इसमें सिर्फ इधर तो बिल्कुल ही कोल्ड फ्लो है.
The crunchiness is there, that only is there. Fries are cold. Fries are rubbish. You can literally count the fries they've given you. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 1, 8 fries.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
But चलो 200 में और क्या चाहिए. So I'll finish and get back. I've done justice to that burger. And next is this cappuccino. And his is cold coffee, looking like Bonvita. Anyways, let's finish this.
With gold flakes.
Let's finish this with this nice view. So we have done with our breakfast and we are moving out. You can go from here also. Oh, the songs are playing here. Yeah. Now we are moving out. Yeah, that song, don't know, copyright aa jaye. So our bill came up to 750. 200 bucks for the burger, 100 bucks for the cappuccino. And Gabby's sandwich was for 160. Connie's also 200. So 750 was the total bill. Very minimum price. So we enjoyed. Theek tha, not bad. Now we'll head to Hanle we are going, or Pangong. One of these places. I'll tell you which side we are going once we come. Hanle only. Chalo, it's confirmed then. Hanle. I'll show you the scenes there. Okay. Connie.